How to export your Microsoft Copilot chat as PDF. This is perfect if you want to save AI answers for your documentation, school, or work. So there is actually no built-in button to export it as PDF, but there is still option to do it. So simply you just have to click on those three dots in your browser to open this dropdown, and from here we are going to use this print option. So this is going to print our page. As you can see, the page is cut out, so I can't see the whole text over here. And we can fix this if we click on more settings, then margin. And from here we can try to do minimum. As you can see, this is going to fix or center our text, so we can see it all. You can change scale, how big you want it. So you can keep it on 100. You can turn on headers and footers. So if I turn it off, you can see the white bar at the top is disappearing, so I can turn it off. It looks better. Then you can also enable background graphics. So this basically means it's going to add those backgrounds exactly like it is in Microsoft Copilot. So you can keep it or not if you don't want. And then most important, make sure it's save as PDF. So destination is PDF. Then click on save. Now you want to change name, or you can keep it. So I can change it to elephant test. You can choose location where you want to save this PDF, then click on save. And now if I'm going to open my downloads, you can see elephant test PDF over here. So I'm going to double click on it, and this is basically it. So you can scroll through it. And this is only way how you can export your Microsoft Copilot chat as PDF. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.